year we decided that it's time to bring those Arts and Books Festival back home because, of course, charity begins at home. And it's time to really promote arts and culture and to create an avenue where young people who have been involved with the arts can definitely show what they are involved with.
This was in 2014 when she was barely 14. For men, she put her back on the ground just to help her background. She felt on top of the world when men told her ride on, made herself a switch easy to turn on. Boys fondled her boobs like mere balloon, accessible to boys like Babin Saloon. Under the scorching sun, Mama was trekking, while she was somewhere twerking. Mama bent to harvest, she bent to be harvested. Mama stayed awake praying Psalm 119 while she practiced I 69.
My name is Ukeja Dory from Africa, and I'm here to tell you about my skin. My skin is my identity. It is a sign of my peculiarity. It is a proof of my nationality. My skin is that brave lion that stands strong, even among many tigers.
So we are gathered for Ụmụọfịa Arts and Book Festival, and we intentionally named it Ụmụọfịa. You know, the festival is in honor of the legend, the goat, Chinua Alụmọgụ Achebe, the Ogidi legend, who is a professor of African literature too.
If you are going to tell a story, as much as the artists and the documentarists have their own motivations, you should as well try to tell that story in the language that people understand.
The truth of the matter is that you cannot write for an American and expect an African to enjoy it. You should ask ourselves, who are we actually writing for? The metaphors we use, who is going to get at home with these metaphors?
He can't